If you're using a Mac and you're still clicking around like it's 2005, stop. The basics, mastering the foundations. First things first, let's break down how Mac shortcuts actually work. Unlike Windows, where you mostly rely on Carl, on a Mac, you've got Command, Option, Control, Shift, Function, and Caps Lock as your modifier keys. You don't need to smash them down at once. Just hold one, then tap the second key. 1. Spotlight Search. Meet the "Where did I save that" lifesaver. Just press Command plus space and boom. Spotlight Search is at your service. Whether you need a file, an app, or even quick calculations, this shortcut makes you feel like a digital wizard. No more playing hide and seek with your files. 2. Cut, copy, and paste. Okay, if you don't know Command plus C, copy, Command plus V, paste, or Command plus X, cut, we need to have a serious conversation. These are the holy trinity of keyboard shortcuts. Memorize them like your own name. Your workflow will thank you. 3. Undo and redo. Regret that last move? Command plus Z is your oops eraser. Made a mistake? Undo it instantly. But if you undo too far, don't panic. Command plus Shift plus Z will redo it like it never happened. This is basically time travel for your Mac. 4. Switch between programs. Multitask like a pro gamer switching between weapons. Command plus Tab lets you cycle through open apps lightning fast. Hold down Command and tap Tab repeatedly to jump between active applications. It's basically Mac's Alt-Tab superpower. 5. Open Mission Control. Feeling overwhelmed with too many windows? Press Control plus up arrow to launch Mission Control. It gives you a bird's eye view of all open windows, making it easy to switch between them. 6. Show desktop instantly. Too many windows cluttering your screen? Command plus F3, or FN plus F11 on some Macs, will push everything aside and reveal your desktop instantly. 7. Quick Emoji Picker. Want to insert emojis without searching for them? Press Control plus Command plus space or FN, and the emoji picker pops up anywhere you're typing. 8. Force. Quit an app frozen, not responding. Instead of waiting forever, press Command plus Option plus ESC, select the app, and hit Force Quit. It's like Task Manager, but for Mac. 9. Find text on a page scrolling endlessly to find a word? Press Command plus F, type what you're looking for, and jump straight to it. Works in browsers, documents, and even PDFs. A total time saver. 10. Save a file. Probably the most important shortcut in the universe. You know that gut-wrenching moment when your work disappears because you forgot to save? Command plus S prevents those nightmares. Tap it frequently, and your future self will thank you. 11th. Quit a program. Ever had an app that just won't leave? Like an annoying party guest who won't take the hint? Command plus Q is your bouncer. Hit it, and that stubborn app is gone. No questions asked. 12th. Select all text. Ever tried to highlight a massive block of text with just your trackpad? It's like painting a fence with a toothbrush. Instead, press Command plus A and select everything in a blink. Work smarter, not harder. 13. Take a screenshot on Mac. Need to capture your entire screen in a snap? Command plus Shift plus 3 does exactly that. It's like taking a selfie of your Mac, but without the awkward angles. 14. Take a screenshot of part of your screen. Want to crop your screenshot like a pro? Command plus Shift plus 4 turns your cursor into a snipping tool, letting you select exactly what you need. No messy cropping later. Perfect for capturing just the funny part of a meme without the questionable ads. 15. Open a new tab. Because one tab is never enough. Press Command plus T and summon a fresh new tab. Great for when you're doing work, but secretly opening YouTube in another tab. 16. Close window. You just wrapped up a tab or a document and you're done with it? No need to aim for the little red dot in the corner. Just press Command plus W and close it instantly. Like slamming a door shut, but quieter. 17. Jump to the search box. Searching on Chrome or Safari? Press / to instantly jump to the search box. No more clicking around. 18. Hide a window. Minimizing too slow for you? Command plus H hides an entire app in one swift motion. Great for when someone walks in and you definitely weren't watching cat videos. 19th, move your cursor like a pro. Clicking through a document line by line? That's rookie level. Command plus arrow keys teleports you to the start or end of a document, while Option plus arrow keys gives you smaller, more controlled jumps. It's like leveling up your typing speed overnight. 20. Highlight. Text, words, or lines. Want to highlight text like a pro? Shift plus. Arrow keys selects one letter at a time. Option plus. Shift plus. Arrow keys grabs whole words. And Command plus. Shift plus arrow keys selects entire lines in one go. This is the difference between crawling and sprinting through your work. 21. Make text bold. Want your words to scream, "Pay attention to me." Just select the text and hit Command plus B to make it bold. Perfect for writing emails when you really need your boss to notice that part of your message. 22. Italicize text. For when you need to add a little drama to your words, use Command plus I. Italics are great for emphasis, sarcasm, or pretending you're writing in an ancient scroll. 23rd, insert link. Ever been in the middle of typing a document or an email and needed to add a link without breaking your typing flow? Instead of reaching for the mouse, just press Command plus K, and boom, a pop-up appears, ready for you to paste your link. It's like magic, but without the wand. 24. Switch between windows. Juggling multiple open windows? Instead of digging through them, press Command plus backtick to cycle through like a pro. Perfect for when you have way too many things open. 25. Refresh page website not loading? Page acting weird? Just hit Command plus R and it'll refresh. Works like a digital reset button, except you don't have to unplug anything. 26. Jump to address bar. Want to type a new web address? Instead of clicking up there, press Command plus L, and your cursor jumps straight to the address bar. Type away like a pro. 27th, minimize window. Need a quick cleanup without closing things? Press Command plus M, and the window neatly tucks itself into the dock. Out of sight, out of mind. 28th, take a screen recording on Mac feeling fancy? Need to record a tutorial, document a bug, or prove to your friend they actually said that embarrassing thing? Command plus Shift plus 5 opens a built-in recording tool that captures your screen without downloading extra apps. 29. Switch between previous programs. If Command plus Tab is like flipping forward through a playlist, Command plus Shift plus Tab is like rewinding to that song you skipped too fast. It moves backward through your open apps. Handy when you're jumping between just two. 30. Close a tab. Oops, too many tabs? Command W closes them in a snap. But beware. Once they're gone, they're gone. Unless you use the next shortcut. 31. Undo close tab. Closed a tab by accident? No problem. Command plus Z brings it right back like it never left. A true lifesaver when you accidentally close that important article. Or your playlist. 32nd. Open preferences. Want to tweak your settings fast? Command plus comma, yes, a comma. Opens the Preferences menu in most Mac apps. It's weirdly underrated, but once you start using it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. 33rd, PC delete. Key on Mac switching from Windows to Mac and missing your delete key? No worries. Just hit FN plus delete, and you've got that old-school PC-style delete back. Your muscle memory will thank you. 34. Select a specific tab, need to jump to a specific tab? Instead of clicking around, press Command plus 1, 2, 3, etc. to hop to that exact tab. It's like having superpowers for multitasking. 35. Scroll through tabs. Too many tabs and you forgot where you left off? Command Shift plus left bracket or right bracket lets you scroll through them like flipping pages in a book. Except, you know, digital. 36. Close all other tabs. Too many tabs open? If your browser looks like it's hoarding information for the next century, this shortcut is your decluttering magic wand. With Command plus Option plus W, you can clear the mess in one click while keeping just the one tab you actually need. Marie Kondo would be proud. 37th. Open another file. In Preview, tired of dragging files into Preview? With Command+O, you can open another file instantly, because who has time to go hunting for files like it's 1999? 38. Rotate an image in Preview. Got a sideways photo? Instead of craning your neck, just hit Command+R, and your image will rotate clockwise. Keep pressing it if you want a 180 degrees or even a full 360 degrees, because sometimes you just need to spin things around. 39. Remove the background from an image. Ever wanted to magically erase backgrounds without Photoshop? Command+Shift+K lets you remove them right inside Preview. It's like a DIY green screen, but without the green. 40. Zoom in or out on an image in Preview. Whether you're trying to analyze tiny text on a document or appreciate the fine details of a cat meme, Command+ zooms you in while Command- zooms you out, because sometimes you just need to take a closer look. 41st. Open the color correction window in Preview. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and tint of an image without needing Photoshop. With Command+Option+C, you open the color correction panel in Preview, because not all photos come out looking like a masterpiece on the first try. 42. Zoom in or out on a web page. Ever landed on a website with teeny tiny text? Instead of squinting, use Command++ to zoom in. Too close? Command+- zooms back out. It works in Safari, Chrome, and even Finder. 43rd. Reset to default web page. View messed around with zooming too much? Command+0 resets the zoom level to its original size, so you don't end up reading giant-sized headlines like you're in an old-school comic book. 44. Toggle full screen mode. Need more screen space? Press Ctrl+ Command+F to toggle full screen mode in most apps. It's like hitting the refresh button for your workspace. More room, less distraction. 45. Lock your Mac, instantly need to step away from your Mac in a hurry? Instead of waiting for the screen to time out, just press Command+Ctrl+Q to lock your screen instantly. It's a lifesaver when you need a quick privacy shield. No awkward explanations needed, and that's it. 45 life-changing Mac shortcuts in one place. Comment your favorite, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.